Hey, I might not kill crypto, it might actually save it. And that sounds crazy considering how much money and attention AI is pulling away from crypto right now. But stay with me, because the real story is very different from the headlines. Over the last 2 years, AI has eaten everything. Capital, talent, hype, all of it. Meanwhile, crypto looks stuck. Fewer users, lower volumes, and constant questions about its real-world value. So today we're asking a simple but important question. Is AI the killer app crypto has been waiting for? No hype, just facts. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. Crypto has a utility problem. Most blockchains are fast, decentralized, and secure, but they don't actually do much on their own. Trading is still emotional. Risk management is primitive. Fraud detection is mostly reactive. And on-chain data? So complex that only a tiny group of analysts can really use it. That's not a blockchain problem. That's an intelligence problem. This is where AI fits in, not as a replacement, but as a force multiplier. First, trading and market analysis. AI doesn't trade on emotions. It can analyze thousands of market variables, funding rates, order books, and on-chain flows in real time, something humans simply can't do at scale. Second, risk management. AI models are already used in traditional finance to predict volatility, detect abnormal behavior, and manage exposure. Crypto desperately needs this, especially in leveraged markets. Third, fraud and security. Most hacks and scams follow patterns. AI is extremely good at pattern recognition, detecting wallet poisoning, wash trading, fake volume, and suspicious contract behavior before damage spreads. And finally, on-chain analytics. Blockchains are transparent, but transparency without interpretation is useless. AI can translate raw blockchain data into simple insights: who's accumulating, who's exiting, and where risk is building. This is something crypto alone cannot do well. Here's the flip side most people miss. AI needs crypto. Why? Because blockchains provide open, verifiable, real-time data, something AI systems love. Unlike Web 2 platforms, on-chain data isn't hidden behind APIs or corporate walls. It's public, structured, and global. Crypto also enables trustless payments for AI services, permissionless access to AI tools, decentralized compute and data markets. That's why we're seeing AI-powered trading bots, autonomous agents, and on-chain risk engines emerge inside crypto, not outside it. Now, let's be clear. Most AI crypto projects today are noise. Slapping AI in a white paper doesn't create value, and AI won't magically fix bad token economics or empty blockchains. The real impact will be quiet, boring, and behind the scenes. Better tools, smarter systems, and fewer catastrophic failures. That's how real technology adoption always looks. So is AI the next crypto killer app? Not because it replaces crypto, but because it finally gives crypto something it's been missing: intelligence at scale. AI doesn't kill crypto, it makes it usable. If you want more grounded analysis like this, no hype, no noise, subscribe to BitBlast Coin. See you in the next one.